At least you know how to get it up on there though. About to go on the boat, baby. Yeah. Yep. You don't want to leave it down there long because it throw over there close to that flow. Right where that waterfall goes out. There you go. Bounce it right there. Okay, Noah. Okay, baby. Easy, 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 easy. Get him in, get him in. All right, easy. Yeah. Good. All right. Stay out there. Good. Go ahead. Wait, he's barely hooked. See?
Mm-hmm.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Here.
Where am I supposed to grab him at?
Where's your phone?
Oh, pocket.
I can't believe you got one. I told you to throw over there, didn't I?
You did.
Little bitty guy.
Mm-hmm.
Hold him up. On up. There you go. All right, you sicking him in?
Yeah.
Here.
Which one do you want me to stick him in?
That one.
With the other bass in it?
Yeah.